Our current project is restoring this Beetle cat mast. Today we'll be using Back to Nature Ultra Strip to remove the old varnish. While this is an environmentally friendly material, we still use exam gloves when working with it. Ultra Strip is easy to apply. We just used a 2-inch chip brush to spread it onto the mast. Every half hour, we used a spray bottle to mist the mast with water. This helps to keep it from drying out. Two hours later, we applied a second coat. Once the Ultra Strip had been on for 6 hours, we removed it with a putty knife. Finally, we use water and a rag to remove any excess residue. Join us next time when we'll be sanding the mast.